I just cloned $1,000 website in minutes using AI, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps you can use to clone websites without writing any single line of code using AI. Let's get started. So in order to replicate a website using AI, we will be using lovable.dev. Okay, so Lovable AI is one of the most popular tools used by beginners because due to its beginner friendly nature. You just need to simply put the simple prompts over here and it will create amazing looking websites or website replicas in one single prompt. Okay, so let me show you how. So for this tutorial, I'm going to replicate this website. It's a portfolio website for my website development services. Okay, if you want to collaborate me on any project with you, then make sure to contact me here. Okay, so this is the website I have created for me a few days back. So I am going to create a complete replica of it using AI and then transfer it to WordPress. So in order to do that, first of all, we will need to copy the URL of this website. Okay, you can follow this method for almost any kind of website you want to replicate. Okay, so let me type a simple prompt over here. I have pasted a simple prompt over here that I want to replicate / make clone of this website. I have pasted the URL and after that create me an exact clone for this. Okay, so this is the URL I have pasted, but I will suggest you guys to put the screenshot of the website as well. So let's go to Opera and over here let's scroll bar to the top and let's click on this camera icon and click on capture full page. Okay, so it will help you to create the screenshot for this full page website. Okay, so let's click on save image and our screenshot will be saved on our computer. Okay, so let's go to Lovable again. Let's click on attach and let's click on file, and after that let's navigate to downloads and here is our screenshot. Let me select that and open. Great, now we are ready to move ahead. Let's hit enter and it will start running and create the complete clone of our website. So let's wait for it. It will run all the codes for us and you can see it's fairly simple. We just used one single prompt and it's running for us without lifting any fingers now. Okay, so I would highly encourage you guys to use the URL and screenshot together for the best outputs possible. Great, so Lovable run for few minutes and it has given me this output. Okay, let's check it out. Amazing guys, so it's looking quite similar, but there are few refinements we need. Okay, no issue, but we can see that yeah, it's achieved quite an amazing result. Okay, so let's go to its code editor and ask for the necessary changes, especially in terms of typography and all. Okay, so let's click on the sidebar icon and after that let me attach the screenshot again so that we can ask for the more closeness of our clone. Okay, so we can see the social media icons are missing and the typography has been changed a little bit. Okay, and the portfolio highlights, it can't fetch the images of course. Okay, so we will need to provide the images for the portfolio section. No issue, so that's why it might have created a different kind of design over here. Other than that, everything looks quite identical. Okay, so let me ask to imitate the font family I have used on my old website. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, I want you to use the similar kind of font family from the screenshot I have attached and make sure to create all the section to look completely similar to my reference website. Okay, make sure to put the social media icons on the top bar as well. Okay, so proceed ahead and make sure to create a clean modern looking website similar to the website I have given you as a link and screenshot. Okay, so this is how you can use the Lovable voice mode. Okay, you just simply need to click on enable voice mode, and after that you will be able to talk to Lovable. Okay, so let's discard this recording. Great, so this is how I have given it a prompt over here and attach the screenshot of our reference website, and let's hit enter and it should now pick up the most of our design elements this time to make it more similar to our reference website. So let's wait for it. And this is the complete beginner's way to create or replicate a design of any existing website. So this is complete beginner friendly tutorial and you can follow it even if you have zero coding knowledge or website development experience, because Lovable is a beginner friendly tool to be used by non-coders worldwide. Okay, so it's updating the design, matching the original, fixing navbar social icons, and rebuilding each section to match the reference. So let's wait for it. Amazing guys. So we have got the success message. Okay, so it has changed all the fonts, navigation, social media icons, colors, hero sections, and all the other sections. Okay, so let's preview it in complete screen so that we can verify all the changes. And look at this, we have the social media icons over here. The typography is more close to our original design. The logo is quite similar, and the CTA buttons and the technologies we master, premium services, and you can see this is the exact clone of our reference website. It has created the portfolio highlights as well in the same manner with all the working links. Okay, and you can see the latest tutorials, and here it has created the about us section. I can see even better graphics, I must say. Okay, so this is amazing guys, it's completely insane. We have just cloned $1,000 website idea in minutes, okay, using Lovable AI, and is completely beginner friendly. Okay, so let me show you the website. We have given it as a reference side by side so that you can have a better idea. Okay, let me open in here in a new tab, and this is the reference website and this is the copied website. Okay, completely identical, right? Amazing. Let's scroll down to the next sections and see. Yeah, and you can see this is looking insane guys. It's almost identical to our reference website. Okay, so amazing. So this is how you can create a clone to any website you like. Okay, so now we are ready to move it to WordPress. Okay, so in order to move it to WordPress, first of all we will need to put it on a live server. Okay, I'm going to show you the free method so that you can put it onto a live server and share the link with anybody in the world. Okay, so for that you will need to connect your website on GitHub. Okay, so in order to connect your website with GitHub, you just need to click on the top right icon over here and click on connect GitHub. Okay, and after that it will ask you to connect a project. Let's click on connect a project. You will create an organization over here if you haven't created it any. I have already one, so let me select this one. Okay, after that click on transfer anyway, and it will start pushing all the codes to our GitHub repository. Okay, sweet. So let's wait for it, and our repository has been created. Let's click on view button and verify the repository, and here it is. It's a private repository, only we can access it through our GitHub account. Okay, so if you would like to and amazing, so it's done. Let's click on go back. Okay, so if you would like to see the codes for this website, it's fairly simple to do that in Lovable. Let's just click on this code icon and you will be able to see complete codes, all the assets, images have been used on this website and everything else. Okay, so you don't need to be a technical person to do this clone and move it to WordPress. Okay, so let me show you the steps ahead. Okay, so as we have already migrated our website codes on GitHub, we can put it live using a Netlify, which is a free service provided by Netlify team to put any website live and test it and send it to anybody. Okay, so you will need to create an account, free account over here. I already have an account with them, so let me simply log in into my account. Okay, great. So I have been logged into my account. After logging in, you will need to click on add new project and click on importing an existing project. Okay, just click on it, and after that it will ask you how would you like to deploy a project. So we will be using GitHub as our codes are available over there, and it will ask you to authorize login and authorize using GitHub. Okay, great. So sweet. It can now access all the GitHub repository we have in our account. We will need to access the Suraj clone, which is our repository name over here on GitHub. So let's click on this. After that, you will be asked to put a name. Okay, so let's put the Suraj web. Okay, it's a fairly simple name to recognize. Okay, it will be used in our subdomain it will create for us. As you can see, it will be live on Suraj clone web.netlify.app. Okay, so sweet. Let's click on deploy Suraj clone web, and it will deploy all the website files on this Netlify server, and that's great. After that, you will be able to access the link. So it's in progress. Let's wait. Amazing. So our website is live. Let's click on this link, and here you can see the website has been live and it's complete replica of this website, which is amazing, guys. Okay, so now I will show you the next steps so that you can simply migrate this website to as a native WordPress page. Okay, so in order to do that, let's log in into our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, great. So I have been logged in into my WordPress admin dashboard. So from here we will use a theme named Astra. Okay, because it has lots of customization features and it's very popular and lightweight to use. So let me install the Astra theme. You can use any good theme with customization features. Okay, let's activate the theme. And great, we are now ready to move our website to WordPress. Okay, so in order to do that, we will need to install a plugin as well. So let's go to add new plugin and let's install Elementor page builder, which is one of the most popular page builder for WordPress. Okay, let's click on install. After that, let's click on activate button. So our plugin has been successfully activated. Okay, amazing. So let me add one more plugin so that we will be able to use the Elementor page builder rather than the Gutenberg. Okay, let's click on classic editor and let's add this plugin as well so that it will disable the default Gutenberg page editor. Amazing. So we are now ready to proceed. Now let's create a page over here. Let's name it home and let's click on publish. So our page has been created. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Amazing, guys. So we are now ready to proceed. So in order to migrate the copied website or replica website to a WordPress, we will be using iframe. Okay, so in order to do that, you just need to simply search on HTML blocks under Elementor. Okay, you just need to add it, and after that, make sure to copy this iframe code. I will put it into the description. So you just need to replace the URL of your website in your code. Okay, so here it is. Under image src, you just need to put your website URL and it will work just fine. Okay, so we just need to copy and paste the iframe code under HTML block. So let's do that, and your website will be start showing automatically. Okay, let me publish this. And after that, let me view this. And as you can see, this is previewing over here, but we can still see the default header and footer from WordPress. Okay, so let me show you how can you fix that. You just need to go to page, and under that you will need to click on Elementor canvas as your default template. Okay, after that, simply click on update button. And now let's refresh the page again. And great, guys. So the website has been successfully migrated to our WordPress. Okay, as you can see, the header portion is not visible correctly because of the WordPress admin dashboard bar. Okay, no issue. Let's open this website into incognito panel so that we can completely see the website. Okay, let's go to incognito mode and let's open this website. And over here you can see the website is working completely fine. Okay, so we have now cloned our website completely on our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, amazing. If you'd like to know how can you easily edit this website using AI and get it reflected instantly into the WordPress version, then make sure to comment below this video. I will make a dedicated video on that topic as well. Let's click on parent to no parent so that we can fix this URL portion as well. As you can see, it's showing sample page /home, which is not professional and SEO friendly. Let's update it. And now the website should be live on this URL. Let me open and verify. Amazing. So the permalinks is now completely SEO friendly. So this is how you can simply clone your website or replicate your website using Lovable AI. Okay. So the power of AI is amazing, guys, and it's completely unmatchable in comparison to manual codes. You have had spent weeks to create this kind of website using manual coding, but using AI you can do it in minutes, and even you can enhance any of your website look as well. Suppose you have any outdated website for you or your client, you can simply put it into the Lovable and follow this complete steps I have showed you to create an amazing looking upgraded website all using AI. Okay, so I hope you have liked this tutorial, but here is a catch. We have successfully migrated our website to WordPress, but it's not completely SEO friendly method. Okay, so if you would like to know how can you migrate your website using the SEO friendly method, then make sure to stay tuned to this channel and subscribe my channel so that you can see it in upcoming videos. Okay, I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to comment on this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more informative videos like this. Okay, I am connecting the bridge of AI and WordPress together using this channel, and I'm doing it using complete beginner friendly manner. Okay, so I hope you will be able to learn a lot of things by subscribing this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.